how to get more details. So this is about Zadia, guys, no? One of the best condominium project dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Why? Dahil siya ang may pinaka-stretch down payment ngayon na hindi mo kailangan mag-spot payment, only 22 to 23,000 pesos per month for 33 months at 0% interest. Ito rin yung isa sa mga project, no, na una kong condo investment, at ang maganda dito, siya yung may pinaka-accessible location, no, sa National Highway. So if meron kayong tenant, kung gagawin nyo tong pang rental business or pang Airbnb, hindi kayo mag-worry kahit wala silang sasakyan kasi very accessible to by commute. And at the same time, na-enjoy na ng mga nauna kong clients na na-turn over na unit, no, sa Tower 1 and Tower 2 yung rental income nila, dahil pwede dito for daily 2,000 pesos per day ang average daily rate, and if monthly, nasa 20 to 25,000 pesos per month. Napakaganda for rental income. If you need more